At the September 2nd Philly Net Squared Net Tuesday meeting, nonprofits learned about free or low-cost tools they could use to improve their use of technology. Program co-organizer and presenter Brianna Morgan from the Philadelphia Office of HIV Policy says a lot of nonprofits just aren't prepared to use technology.
I think a lot of people who work at nonprofits use technology in their day-to-day lives. Many of them have smartphones, but in terms of using it for their nonprofit operations, they kind of fall behind. They don't get to update things as much as our for-profit partners. Net Tuesday helps them find free tools and also tools that are easy to use for an organization that doesn't have the capacity to have full-time IT staff or a bunch of people around who just know what they're doing all the time.
Stan Pockris, the chief instigator at a nonprofit called Community Magic, told the audience about ways that they can help others using free tools on the internet.
Community Magic is a way for people to help other people. And we're setting it up to start with by giving people an opportunity to help other people using FreeCycle and then Craigslist. Those are very simple tools that people can use to serve the people in their community. They can be in a church setting or in a community organization or a block captain, and this will give them an opportunity to learn how to be somebody useful in the community that people will come to and tell them what they need.
Seth Horwitz, the founder and principal organizer of Philly Net Squared, talks about the overall mission of the group.
Philly Net Squared, which is really one of dozens of Net Squareds around the world, is an opportunity for nonprofits and social activists and social entrepreneurs to get together and talk about the way in which technology can help them achieve their missions. Usually there's some practical tools that people get and some knowledge about ways to do things that they didn't know before, as well as getting to know other people. And a lot of it is about networking. There's been a number of friendships as well as professional relationships which have developed from people just coming to these things because it's a shared environment.
For this particular Net Squared presentation, participants chose which of several breakout groups they wanted to attend, which were repeated several times during the evening's program.
Participants are selecting their own, their favorite program to go to, and they're listening to a little bit about topics related to discounts that they can access or free programs or services they can access just because they're a 501c3. I think it's important to offer that kind of information to nonprofits because as an IT manager in a nonprofit, I find that many organizations aren't aware of the kind of services that are available to them just because they're a 501c3 or a good cause.
Net Tuesday meetings take place the first Tuesday of the month at the American Friends Service Committee Friends Center at 15th and Cherry Streets in Philadelphia. For more information, visit phillynetsquared.org. Reporting for State Broadcast News in Philadelphia, this is Steve Lubetkin.